What would that bird over there be? Some white water bird. Is it an egret? Is it an ibis? A heron? No, it's not. A heron or something? What else are there? Egrets, ibis? No, it's not an ibis. I'm not sure what it is. I wish I had a better camera. I'd like to take close-ups of that beautiful bird. If I got closer, I'd just drive it away. I saw it yesterday too. It's going about its business, whatever its business is. It's probably going down to the lagoon, a place called the lagoon. That's probably where it's off to. Isn't it beautiful? Jerky as it is on a telephoto lens. What a beautiful bird anyway. What a beautiful afternoon. There's another attempt to film that bird. I wish it would come over here and say hello. Look how it walks gracefully, like a ballet dancer. Why don't I walk like that? There it goes, about its business anyway.